Intro music. Welcome to our journey into the world of calculus. Whether you are a student preparing for a calculus course or someone looking to refresh your math skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore what you should know before taking calculus and highlight the essential skills that will set you up for success. So, let's dive in. Intro graphics. In order to excel in calculus, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. These subjects serve as the building blocks for calculus, and mastery at each stage is essential. However, if you need a quick review of the essentials, we've got you covered. Let's start with algebra. Manipulating expressions is a fundamental skill. You should be comfortable adding and multiplying polynomial expressions. For example, you should know how to simplify expressions like x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus 3x caret 2 to 3x equals 4x squared x plus 3. Solving linear and quadratic equations is another important skill. Being able to solve equations like 2x plus 3 equals 5x7 or 2x squared plus 3x5 equals 0 will come in handy throughout your calculus journey. Understanding exponents and logarithms is also crucial. Familiarize yourself with the properties of exponents, such as x squared asterisk y squared equals xy squared, and 2 caret x asterisk 2 caret y equals 2 caret x plus y. Logarithms, like log base 2 of x equals y, can be used to express exponentials in a different form. Moving on to functions, you'll encounter them extensively in calculus. Make sure you know what a function is and how to represent it graphically. Get acquainted with the graphs of elementary functions like linear and quadratic functions, as well as exponential and logarithmic functions. Being able to manipulate functions is essential. Understand operations like adding and multiplying functions. Additionally, familiarize yourself with function terminology, such as domain, range, odd and even functions, periodicity, zeros, and intercepts. In geometry, knowing how to compute the area of simple shapes like rectangles, triangles, trapezoids, and circles will be useful. Similarly, understanding how to calculate the volume of 3D shapes such as cubes, prisms, and spheres will come in handy. Analytic geometry involves reasoning about points, lines, and shapes in the coordinate plane. Make sure you know how to find equations for parallel and perpendicular lines and how to represent circles using equations. Lastly, trigonometry plays a significant role in calculus. You should be comfortable with the basic trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. Understand their definitions and know their values for common angles like 0, pi, 6, pi, 4, pi, 3, and pi, 2. Familiarize yourself with the graphs of these functions as well. Remember, while the list we covered today includes the main topics you should know, it's possible that you may encounter calculus problems that reference other areas of prerequisite knowledge. Don't worry if you need to review certain concepts along the way. It's always worth taking a step back to reinforce your understanding before moving forward. That's it for today's introduction to calculus prerequisites. Join us in the next video where we'll dive into the exciting world of limits and derivatives. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming calculus lessons. Outro graphics. Thank you for watching, and remember,